Bathed in the gentle morning light, Hussain slowly awakens from his peaceful nap. His sleepy gaze falls upon Mirha, his older sister, deeply absorbed in her imaginative play on the carpet. A soft, tender smile graces Hussain's face as he quietly observes his sister, lost in her world of toys. Mirha looks up, her play interrupted by the realization that Hussain is now awake and watching her. Her eyes soften with affection as she acknowledges her brother's presence, a silent bond shared between them. With a gentle reminder, Mirha lovingly teaches, "Hussain, my brother, when we see each other, we should say Assalamu alaikum." Hussain, a hint of timidity in his eyes, looks towards Mirha. Gathering his courage, Hussain takes a deep breath. A shy yet resolute smile graces Hussain's face. Hussain greets, "Peace be upon you, sister." Mirha responds warmly, "Wa alaikum assalam, my dear brother." Drawn by the loving exchange, their mother enters the room. Mother enters the living room, her face radiant with a warm, loving smile. Father joins, placing a comforting hand on both children's shoulders, his presence completing the circle of love. The family gathers, voices intertwining in a chorus of peace. Assalamu alaikum and wa alaikum assalam. Mother's voice rings out with conviction. Mashallah. Every time you say salam, the angels pray for you. Father adds, Salam spreads love and peace in every home.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.